Hi, Blake with Boulevard Home. With my appliance, should I repair it or should I replace it? This is my answer to this. Everybody's financial state is different and it fluctuates all the time. Sometimes people are doing great, sometimes they're not doing so great. If you have somebody you trust going to your home and he gives you an honest opinion on it, saying, well, this machine is going to be this much money. Well, my break point is half the cost. If whatever the repair is going to be is half the cost to replace it, at that point the question is it worth fixing it or should I replace it? That's my breaking point. Because sometimes people say financially, yeah, I can afford a new one, maybe not. Maybe I should just fix it because I can't afford the extra $500 to replace X, Y, or Z, whatever that may be. If it's under half the cost, most of the time it's worth fixing it, honestly. If it's more than half the cost, replace it. But if it's at the break point, look at your financial situations, look at your pocketbook, say, is it worth it? And also you have to look at the age of the product too. If the product is really old, just buy a new one. It'll make everybody happy. And it's an investment. People say, gosh, they're going up in price. Well, yeah, they are going up in price, but everything else is going up in price too. Appliances have got to join the party because the economy is the economy. But the key factor is, honestly, get a technician that you know or a company that you know and trust. They're the people that are going to give you the most honest opinion. And people say, well, gosh, they're more expensive. Well, yes, they are more expensive. Just because some Joe Schmo comes in that's, with A, B, C, D, E, F, G appliance, and he's $20 cheaper than you, well, where's he getting his parts? Is he going to warranty his parts? How much experience does he have to make this evaluation with the appliance? Is he trying to put more money in his pocket? You never know. So go with your trusted technician, go with your reputable technician, and they will give you your best advice on what you should do with your appliance. Well, we have lots of other videos for you to watch, so please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos, and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching.